Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be designing my dream holiday home. Now this isn't like my dream home, this is like my dream kind of summer kind of vacation home, and I know exactly where it's going to be built as well. It's going to be built in Achill. It's kind of like, because this is where I want to like come for my holidays, like summer times, Christmas times, and I'm going to be coming here whenever I like move away, whatever, or finish college. But I know exactly where I want to build it as well, so this is like my dream kind of holiday home that if I could afford it, I'd love to have. And the reason I'm doing it on YouTube is because I miter all my friends and family and all that about, oh, I'm going to own this, I'm going to do this, whatever in the future, and their heads are mitered with me, so I decided to come here and miter your heads and show you guys my dream holiday home. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I know for certain that I want a really good view, so I know which plot of land I want to build this on. It's like near my house, well, mum's house, so this will be like my holiday home, and I kind of know the kind of experience I want from the inside looking out, if that makes any sense. So I know the ground floor will be more private, and then the top floor will be where my bedroom is, well, where the bedrooms are, and they'll be all looking out onto the ocean. I know I want that kind of French glass kind of look. I'll insert a picture on the screen now, but that's kind of look I know I want, and I want that kind of, I don't know, I know what kind of a feel I want. So let's just start kind of sketching ideas and whatnot. So I know I want the kind of panels. I'll kind of insert like a shot of the land and then kind of a pan to the sea as well, because I want the sea view. And yeah, so anyway, so you'll probably come up the drive that like my mum, the house I'm in now, that drive, and then you will turn it off. So I'm going to do to kind of turn it off, so you'll probably turn it off then from my drive, and then come in here, and you'll kind of come off the way here, and you'll park. But I think I might want the garage around the back, so I know it's going to be built into the cliff as well, so it'll be 2 or 3 floors, but I know the ground floor for certain will be built into the cliff anyway, and there'll be a lot of it that's underground as well that you won't really see. So I'm gonna do like the kind of, I kind of want a bit of symmetry as well, so this will be kind of sticking out from the cliff, this first section. I don't want it to be kind of super like perfect, so I'm just going to kind of make it a bit more kind of off-sided and uneven, so you get the idea this is a cliff with like rocks and stuff. So you probably park your car up there, and then there'll be a little kind of turning area here where you can turn your car around and come back down the road. Yeah, so this is going to come more like this, and come right there, up and around. I like the kind of look of the kind of curved and nice easy flow, and you come in, you come out, and just very nice. And then actually I think I'll make this kind of a patio, so I'm going to cut the drive off here and make here kind of a little patio area. Okay, and then I'm going to have a balcony that's going to come out here. So it's going to do that for the time being, and then I know for certain that these windows down here, so I'm just going to insert the windows now. Four panels, and it's going to be the grass that you can slide over, so it's completely open. I kind of want to do something here as well. I think I'm also gonna do a staircase. So this is going to be the dining area and kitchen down here. This is going to be the kind of master bedroom area. It's going to be like open ceilings as well. It's going to be a tall kind of ground floor. So it's going to be this area and here, and then there's also going to be a staircase inside for to go upstairs. So they're going to be on the ground level, and then on this level is going to be. Oh, and there's also going to be the garage, which is in the back of the house. So I might have that kind of coming in here. And then up here is going to be my bedroom. And then along here, so it's going to be doors that enter onto this balcony area as well. So it's kind of bring some of these pillars along here. And along here. Okay, and so this is going to be my kind of office area here, and then I'm going to do a door going through here. That's going to be like a little hallway to go into there, and then to go into the rooms also. So I'm going to do maybe 2 rooms here. Yeah, I'll do 2 rooms. So 1, 2. And these rooms open up onto this beautiful balcony. Okay, so it's all kind of mainly glass at the front, just because there's so much amazing light, and I do kind of little separators actually between the glass. Okay guys, that's the basic kind of concept of my dream villa. So I'm just going to show you like how I do the floor. We're going to do the floor plan now together, and so you get a better idea of what it actually is. So grab a sheet of paper. Okay, so we have our kitchen. Our kitchen area is here. So this is the road for the cars, so that means the garage is going to be back here. So this is going to be the kitchen, dining area, kind of casual living area. Then I know there's going to be, we'll do the staircase. So that's going to be the garage in here. Then there's my door going through here, and then we'll have the kind of staircase going up here, up to the main floor. In here. Now let's go up a story. This is the final kind of rough design of my dream home. So this is the kind of front facade of it. So you have your dining area here, kitchen here, main bedroom here, then you have your 2 guest bedrooms, office space, and then the garage is in the back. So as you can see here from the layout plan, you drive your car along here, and this brings you right to the back house, which you have the garage. So it's a 2-door garage, so you can drive your cars in there, and then you can come in through this way into the dining area and the kitchen, or you can come through this way, and this could be like a kind of snug area, kind of just a whatever you need space for area. And then there's also a laundry area here, you know, just get your washing done. And then if you come up the stairs, you come up here, and then there's kind of a walkway here. We can go into the master bedroom, so it opens up onto a balcony, and you can have enough space for like a seating area here as well. So that goes through to the bathroom, and that brings you through to the closet, which is massive, I must say. It's a huge closet, so like for you and your partner. And then you come back out here, so you can go up this way. There's kind of like a little kind of outdoor area with all windows kind of along here, just to bring loads of natural light in. And then in this area here, it's kind of like a kind of extra room, so you can use it for whatever you wish. And then there's also a main kind of bathroom here as well. And then this is the office kind of space, office kind of studio area. So this is where I like do my videos and work, do my designs and all that kind of stuff. And then this is where the 2 kind of spare bedrooms are. So you can have the bed on this wall, or this wall, or this wall, this wall, and then it opens up onto this amazing view, like a freaking amazing view. And there's also a walkway here. So it's a balcony, and then it comes down the stairs into the kind of main area. So this is the stairs here, a little area, and this is all built into the cliff, so it's all very, you know, subdued and whatnot, and you would only be able to see like about this much from the actual road because it's up a hill. So, and there'll be also like trees and everything planted here. I just really love. And then up here as well there'll be skylight, so you can just imagine like the amount of amazing light these bedrooms are going to get, and office space. And this hallway is going to be so well lit, and it's just, I just love it so much. This would be like my dream kind of holiday home. And ideally as well, you could easily just add a gym down here, or if you wanted, you could build into here, underneath here, and add in another kind of area like this, which would be totally hidden from the road. So yeah, you easily get planning permission for it. But anyway, that's my dream holiday home. If you would like to see kind of me do a part 2 to this, where I do it up in SketchUp, like proper sizing and everything, and with the kind of sketches and all that good stuff, you can totally do that. I've done this kind of before, I tried doing it before with a few other options. So this is the first option. It was like free for us, so this would be the bedroom up here, kitchen and all that there over here, then 2-door garage, you go upstairs to the main entry, the guest kind of area, guest rooms. I like it, but like I wasn't like obsessed. And then I tried doing it again, and then I had the same idea as this one, but I set by the garage at the front, which you could totally do as well, but I kind of prefer this one now. And yeah guys, that's it. That is my dream house. Well, holiday house. Okay guys, that's my dream home. I really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments what's on your bucket list for your dream home, holiday home. Do you want a holiday home? Do you want a dream home? Are you happy just living in a comfy house, or do you want like a massive mansion? Do you want to live on space? Do you want to live in a hotel? Where do you want to live? Just let me know in the comments. And yeah, and also let me know what you thought of my dream home. Do you like it? Do you think it's actually disgusting? What are your thoughts? Just let me know. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, also hit the subscribe button, and hit the little dingy little notification bell so you know if I ever upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.